Welcome to the deep dive. We're here to crack open some complex topics and pull out the insights that matter most to you. Today, we're tackling something huge, getting real, actual value from those big cloud data investments. Everyone's spending the money, right? But where's the ROI? And, our sources kind of flip a common idea on its head. We think, okay, just get the best tools, the latest AWS service, and boom, results. But what if the secret isn't just the tool? What if it's really about how strategically you're using it?
Right.
That's interesting. Okay, let's unpack this. Because here's the bold truth we found. AWS Glue. Super powerful, serverless, great stuff. But just having it, well, that alone doesn't guarantee you'll see a return. Companies just deploying it without a solid strategy. They often find they've got this amazing engine just sitting there idling. The ones really making cloud data pay, they're pairing that tech, like Glue, with specialized human expertise. That's the real power pairing.
That's a great way to put it. And you're right, the landscape has totally shifted. Cloud data isn't just some experiment anymore. It's absolutely essential. And leaders are under, frankly, immense pressure to show value and show it fast. And AWS Glue, well, it's definitely emerged as a key player here. It's fantastic for streamlining ETL, getting data from A to B cleaned up and ready. It cuts costs, speeds things up, gets you insights faster. But, and this is the key thing, getting that real ROI isn't automatic. It's not plug and play for value. It really takes a strategic approach, often guided by experts, to actually unlock Glue's full potential, like having a race car.
Right, you still need someone who knows how to drive it properly on the track.
Exactly. You need the driver and the pit crew.
Okay, so before we get to the expert driver part, let's look under the hood of Glue itself. What makes it so compelling on its own? What impresses people first?
Well, the initial draw, what really stands out in the sources, comes down to a few core things. First off, reduced infrastructure costs. That's a big one. It's serverless, pay-per use. You stop managing servers, stop worrying about provisioning. You just pay for what you use when jobs run.
Which can be huge savings, right? Compared to the old ways.
Oh, absolutely. Huge operational overhead just vanishes for many organizations. It really changes the total cost of ownership game. Then secondly, it speeds up getting from raw data to actual insights dramatically. You've got tools like Glue Studio, that visual interface helps build workflows without deep coding, and the Glue Data Catalog.
The central library for your data.
Precisely. It keeps everything organized, so teams can find, understand, and transform data much, much faster. Think about getting sales figures together. What took days might now take hours. That speed is a real competitive edge today.
Faster decisions, better agility. Makes sense.
And the third piece is better data governance, kind of built in. Features like lineage tracking, see where data came from, how it changed. That's gold for audits and trust. Plus, the data catalog helps manage metadata, giving you a clear view of all your assets. It makes compliance easier too. It's organized, auditable.
Okay, so Glue leaves this amazing foundation. Costs down, speed up, governance handle. It's like the perfect engine. But as you said, an engine alone doesn't win the race. Our sources are saying there's this real unlock needed. Here's where it gets really interesting. What is that missing piece? What does it add that Glue by itself just doesn't?
Right, the real unlock is exactly that. Pairing Glue's power with specialized consulting expertise. Glue is the engine, the tools. The expertise is the strategic know-how, the race engineer, the experienced driver who knows how to tune it and how to apply it to your specific track, your business context.
So it's about applying the power correctly.
Yes, precisely. It's about aligning the technical work, building those data pipelines directly with core business goals. Are you trying to boost sales, cut costs, improve customer experience? The pipelines need to serve that goal. Experts ensure that alignment. Otherwise, you just build tech projects, not profit drivers.
Ah, okay. So avoiding those tech for tech's sake scenarios.
Exactly. And they optimize constantly for performance and cost, right from the start. An expert knows the little tricks in Glue, the best ways to configure jobs, to partition data so you're not wasting money or time. They've seen the common mistakes.
The expensive pitfalls.
The very expensive pitfalls, yes. They navigate complex integration challenges, hooking up old systems, scaling things up because they've done it before many times. They bring that battle-tested experience. And often, they help upskill your own team, too.
Oh, so knowledge transfer is part of it?
A big part. Empowering your internal team for the long run. It's this synergy of the tool, plus the strategic insight that makes the ROI tangible, measurable, fast.
Okay, tangible results. Let's nail that down. For someone listening, maybe a business leader worried about budgets or a data pro building these things, what does this actually look like day to day?
For a business leader, well, you see data prep time just plummet. That marketing campaign example, getting customer data ready in hours instead of a week, that's real.
So faster time to market for initiatives.
Absolutely. Which leads to faster reporting, faster decisions everywhere, hourly sales updates instead of weekly. That changes how you operate. You also get a big improvement in data quality. Reliable data means reliable decisions, less guesswork. And that improved governance means better compliance, less regulatory headache, peace of mind. Plus, it really enables the cool stuff, advanced analytics, machine learning. You need that solid, clean data foundation first. These are direct bottom line impacts.
Okay, clear benefits for leadership. What about for the data professionals actually working with Glue?
For them, it's a shift. It becomes much more than just writing Spark code. You're involved in designing solutions that are scalable, efficient, yes, but also truly aligned with the business strategy. You start thinking like a strategist, not just an engineer executing tasks. How does this pipeline help the business win? How do we build it to last?
So it elevates their role, makes them more strategic contributors.
Definitely. It makes their work more impactful, more visible. They move from just moving data to enabling real business intelligence and innovation. It's a great opportunity.
That sounds transformative, but we often hear this. The vision is there, the desire for data modernization is strong, but the in-house team just doesn't have that deep, specialized AWS Glue expertise yet. It's a steep curve. How do companies bridge that gap effectively?
Yeah, that's a super common scenario. The ambition outpaces the current skill set. What our sources point to are specialized firms, firms that connect you with really elite AWS Glue consultants. These folks live and breathe this stuff. They've implemented Glue successfully across different industries, different scales, facing all sorts of gnarly challenges.
So they bring practical, real-world experience, not just textbook knowledge.
Exactly. They bring the implementation power, sure, but also that strategic clarity. They know what works, what doesn't, how to avoid the dead ends because they've seen it all. They can help build architectures that are robust and ready for the future, not just solving today's problem.
And for the data pros listening, working alongside these experts must be a huge learning opportunity.
Oh, immense. Instead of struggling through trial and error, you're learning best practices directly from seasoned pros on high-impact projects. You're accelerating your own skills technically and strategically. It's a fantastic way to level up. And that synergy, again, Glue's power, plus that focused consulting expertise, that's what bridges the gap. It turns the strategy doc into reality, into actual ROI.
It really crystallizes the point. If you're asking how to make cloud data investments truly deliver, the answer seems clear. It's not just AWS Glue, it's Glue plus that expert guidance. That combination isn't just efficient, it's genuinely transformative. Smart tools, smarter strategy.
Exactly. And maybe a final thought to leave with everyone if we pull back for a second. How might this synergy, this blend of top-tier tech and deep expertise, impact your company's longer-term data strategy? Think beyond the immediate wins, like cost savings. How could it fundamentally change your ability to innovate, adapt, and really lead in your market down the road?
A powerful question to ponder. We definitely encourage you to explore how this combination could unlock real value for you. That's all the time we have for this deep dive. We hope you found these insights valuable.